Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin diagnosing the Lenovo IdeaPad 5, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help ensure that you can safely open the laptop without damaging any components. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This ensures your safety while working on the device. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws organized so that you can easily reassemble your laptop later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time here, as rushing can lead to cracks in the plastic. After removing the back panel, you will see the internal components. Check for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt circuits or disconnected cables. Next, locate the display cable connecting the motherboard to the screen. This cable is critical in determining if the issue is with the screen or the motherboard. Gently disconnect the cable and inspect it for any damage or fraying. If the cable looks fine, it may be time to check the screen itself. To do this, you will need to remove the screen bezel, which is held in place by small clips. Carefully work your way around the edges with the spudger. Once the bezel is off, you can access the screen screws. Remove these screws and gently lift the screen away from the assembly. Again, inspect for any visible damage. If everything looks intact, it's time to connect the screen back to the motherboard and test it. Before doing this, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation if you're uncomfortable with performing these steps. It's important to have a clear understanding of what the issue is before proceeding with any repairs, and getting a quote before repair can save you time and money. Reassemble the laptop by following the steps in reverse order. After everything is back in place, power on the laptop to see if the display lights up. If you still experience no backlight, the motherboard may require attention. Should you find yourself needing further assistance, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel, simply let us handle it. We understand that diagnosing and repairing laptops can be daunting, which is why we aim to make the process as seamless as possible for you. If you have completed these steps and the laptop still does not display correctly, consider reaching out for professional help. Getting a quote before you commit to any repairs allows you to make an informed decision without any pressure. Our experts are here to assist you every step of the way, ensuring that your Lenovo IdeaPad 5 gets the care it needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.